Hello, everybody. It's John again from immoviewer 360, and I'll be continuing on the Using Links series. Now, just as a recap, links is a way for you to actually share your tours. There are different uses for them, and I've tackled some of the reasons why they were created and how to use them on on the previous videos that I've created. So the next topic that we'll be tackling today is how to use the non-branded link. Now, the non-branded links are primarily used for your MLS or for your multi-listing services. So, what this does is it 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 converts all the branding onto your tours to a generic brand that allows you that is compliant to the terms and conditions for all MLS systems all throughout the United States. So let me just show you how it works. All you have to do is just copy and paste this link and paste it to the text field that requires the virtual tour. So here's how a non-branded MLS link look like. Here's the difference. So as soon as the tour loads up, you'll notice that the hotspots change. The hotspots change to a generic hotspot. Same goes for the tripod. The tripod appears as a generic tripod that signifies no branding whatsoever. You'll also notice that the agent or the contact information at the bottom left no longer appears. However, you'll still see your hotspots and all those good stuff. So that's how a non-branded link looks like. So again, guys, the process is fairly simple. Just click on the link button, go to the non-branded link tab, copy and paste the non-branded link to your clipboard, and then paste it to wherever text field that requires the virtual tour link. So again, this is John from immoviewer 360 showing you guys how the non-branded links work. If you have any comments, suggestions, feedback, send us an email at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us at immoviewer.com. Thanks and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.